Alright guys, it is Kyle here from Unboxed Autos, and today before us we have one of my favorite cars ever built. It is absolutely stunning, even just to look at. Right here we're looking at the Lamborghini Huracan STO. Now this car is literally a street legal race car. It is made for the track. I mean, this car is nothing short of incredible. It is, in my opinion, one of the most amazing machines ever built, ever. You just take one look at it and you know it's incredibly special. I mean, from the STO badging on the front of the hood to these deep carve-outs here in the front for aerodynamics. I mean, this thing is just absolutely ready to just devour the track. It is simply incredible. It has a 5.2 liter V10 and it makes 631 horsepower and 417 pound-feet of torque. And then, of course, that all is deployed to the road via rear-wheel drive. And we have, as you can see here, this deep front splitter, right? So this car has literally been made for the track, all aspects of it. And that includes a lot of thought when it comes to aerodynamics. And that's exactly what this car is focused on, would be aerodynamics, so I can get the most downforce to the rear wheels and keep this thing flat on the road, even at near 150, 175 plus miles per hour. Now, as you can see here, even the wheel arches have special carbon fiber carbon fiber slats there for airflow. There's also these incredible wheels right here. We have obviously carbon ceramic disc brakes, so that as we go around the track, lap after lap after lap, we're just going to continually be able to get that maximum braking power. Now, obviously, this rear wing here is very notable. is very notable, and it really helps create a ton of downforce, even at its top speed. So it's all about aerodynamics, guys. When you start going fast, that's what really counts. Obviously, this stuff all looks super cool as well. We have the STO grill on the rear here. We have the exhaust mounted in the middle. Just everything on this car just screams cool, screams racing. And the engine is back under here. Again, that's going to be a 5.2 liter V10, and sounds obviously simply incredible. Another thing that you just can't get over is the sound, the raw power sound that this car makes, especially when you get over 4,500 RPMs and the rear flaps open up all the way. Oh my gosh, the exhaust note is absolutely exhilarating. I mean, it just makes you keep wanting to push the car harder and harder and faster and faster. It is simply incredible. What I love about this car is it knows exactly what it wants to be. This is a street legal race car, and that's exactly what they set out to make it. And that is its sole focus. The ride is harsh, but I love the harsh ride because this car is ready for the track, and the suspension is tuned for it, and it doesn't let you forget it, and I absolutely love that. Another thing is on the interior is we're all about weight savings. So when we open it up, of course, the whole entire door, carbon fiber. We even have these little red pull straps for the door handle. Even the air vents are carbon fiber. Love the orange accents. Neat buttons here to control the headlights and things like that. But when you just look at this interior, it has been stripped down. They've saved some weight by doing this, and the seats are very supportive, very comfortable. But yeah, it's just a super focused track car that you can drive on the regular street. There's not even any carpets to save weight. So it's again, very focused on driving, and I don't think there's a better driver's car out there for somebody looking just to go right from the dealership to the track than the STO. Sitting in the driver's seat, you'll just first notice the cool pull straps there to open the doors. It's matched here by this nice carbon fiber accented handle, which is like a leather handle. And we'll of course notice the engine start button covered in orange right there. Start it up. Sounds absolutely incredible. Comes alive. And there we can have here we see the gauge cluster, and just love to see how far it goes in the rev range. Absolutely incredible. This car sounds, again, just so incredible. If I could drive only one car for the rest of my life, this would be it. This would be it. Love the steering wheel. Very, very good amount of holding points. Lots of grip on the steering wheel. A nice little orange race strap there at the top. Blinkers there. On the side, we have the different drive modes selecting button right there at the bottom. Huge, giant column-mounted paddle shifters. So when you're taking on the track, those just stay in one spot, which is how you want it. Yeah, absolutely great. We have here the window controls. Thank God this car has a front lift system, so we're not scraping it everywhere we go. Auto stop start off button, and we have here the upgraded, or I should say updated, multimedia display. Really pretty cool. It works really well. It has a neat look to it, and provides a lot of good different track and racing info, so you can keep an eye on all kinds of different temperatures, which is nice. It operates like a tablet system, and yeah, so really easy to keep track of everything. We also have some of these models are equipped with the interior camera system, so it can record your track time. You can go back and review it, with somebody to see how you did on the track, how you can improve. So basically you enter, which racetrack you're going to be on in the system here, and then it will load the data, and then it will start recording, and then we'll, show you, and you can download that to, the computer, etc. So that's pretty cool. Pretty neat functionality. So, again, they've built this car around, helping you become, a better race car driver. They definitely want you to take this car to the track and have a good time with it, since that's what it was intended for. That's what it's made for. But yeah, very easy to use. Again, it really feels like you're using an iPhone, something like that. Just how it's set up. We can also check, important things like brake temp, fluid temp, all kinds of good stuff like that to make sure that we're not overheating it. But again, this car is just simply made for the track. Even 100-degree day, you can just keep going lap after lap after lap. This is really what it was made for. All right, well, we're gonna go ahead now and actually kind of get ready. Take you guys for a little spin. Just gonna adjust the air settings here, get a good temperature, and then we're gonna go ahead and get going on the road. We're gonna let you really hear the car, how it sounds, and it should be a pretty exciting time. And yeah, we're gonna get ready and take one quick little last look here at the interior, and have that beautiful engine cover there behind us, housing the incredible 5.2 liter V10. And now we're going to go ahead and get started, take it out on the road. All right, guys, so now we're driving along here, and this car, it's just the perfect combination of man with machine. It literally, the inputs are razor sharp. The steering is unlike anything you've ever driven, I've ever driven. As soon as you even move the wheel just an inch, it just responds immediately. It's like you are literally one with the car. It's like you're connected to the car. It is simply astounding the level of which you feel the road in this car, and just how well it handles and how precise everything is. I again, never driven anything like this before. It's really unlike any Lamborghini I've ever driven too, and it's the level of precision in this car. It literally, again, it's a race car, and it's a street legal race car. It feels absolutely incredible. The exhaust note is absolutely astounding. But that's also kind of the funny thing about driving a street legal race car on the street, is that it just goes so fast, so quickly. It's it's almost hard if you're not on the track to really push the car, just because simply you just touch the throttle, and before you know it, you're going 60 miles an hour. But it's definitely all worth it. And even just the sound, putting in a lower gear and just listening to it rev is so much fun. And this car really does make driving seem easy to it, but there's a lot of things happening underneath technologically and mechanically that are really make it seem easy. So first up, I mean, simply we have this V10, and yeah, obviously it lacks the turbocharging, but I honestly prefer in this application because it has such a beautiful, wonderful linear power build. Really helps, especially when you're pushing the car to the edge. You just know exactly, the throttle inputs are so pure, so clean. You know exactly how the power is coming through. It really is just incredible. Another thing, when we're pushing the car all the way, we have in the back, we have the rear wheel steering. So that's gonna help us, really keep this car, on the edge and really push it very, very hard. But also, really helps you stay in control, which is simply phenomenal. Another thing is the limited slip differential. So that's going to help us as well. Really, again, guys, this car, every aspect of this car has been thought out so well that all 631 wonderful horsepower are getting pushed to the rear wheels, and it's just simply a marvelous driving experience, and really unlike anything else you'll probably ever experience, as far as driving goes, because it's just so incredible. Well, guys, that's all I have for you today. Hopefully you've enjoyed our little drive here in the astounding Lamborghini Huracan STO. If you have any questions, please feel free to drop them in the comments below. I'll be happy to answer them. And until next time, I'm Kyle with Unboxed Autos.